You can see how it is free and fair election. Everybody is here for free, and I hope it will be the best election in our history.
Considering the hunger in Tigray, is it time for a ceasefire in Tigray?
There is no hunger in Tigray. There is a problem in Tigray, and the government is capable of fixing that.
Why haven't Eritrean troops left? Who is in charge? Is it you or President Isaias?
How can you ask me about other country? I am responsible for Ethiopia. I cannot be responsible for us. Pardon me? Not only Eritreans, but also Sudanese are there. But we're working with both of them to finalize our issue peacefully. We're not pushing them out, but we're making it peacefully. I'm sure it will happen. Thank you very much.